What's up YouTube? It's Ray. In today's video, I will be doing an Ipsy unboxing again today. Ipsy delivered my packages, and actually I have two packages from Ipsy to open today because I ordered something else from them on the side that wasn't in my original glam bag. And I actually forgot what was in my, I'm showing my address. I actually forgot what was in my glam bag because this is the first time that I haven't opened it. So this is gonna be a true unboxing because I forgot what's in it, haven't opened it, haven't viewed my Ipsy emails or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you are new here, my name is Ray. I make weekly beauty related videos and other various lifestyle content. So if you enjoy those type of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss anything, and also turn on your post notifications. Here on my channel once a month, I do open my Ipsy packages with you guys, just in case if you guys are fellow makeup lovers like myself, or if you're interested in just seeing what I got, or you want to know what Ipsy is all about. I got you covered. I got you. So let's go ahead and get into the video and unbox these packages. All right, you guys, so as I said, we're doing an Ipsy unboxing today. And Ipsy, for you guys that do not know or have not watched my previous videos, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription service where the one that I get, this is not any type of paid promotion, so I'm not going to go too much into detail, but I'll give y'all a little bit of what it's about. So basically, it's a makeup subscription service. The pack that I do, the Ipsy Standard Glam Bag, is $12.99 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample size products, and you get to choose one product of your choice, which I think is amazing because, what if you don't want all the other products, but you are really obviously excited about the one you chose? And sometimes Ipsy runs specials, which is what I have here, and I have opened this one and I have seen what's inside this one, but Ipsy runs specials where they will have deluxe samples on sale. They will have full-size products on sale. They'll have mystery packs and different things that you can get, which is just great perks if you're a makeup lover or someone looking to grow your makeup collection, because often it's very affordable. Like this, what I got right here, I believe this was like $3, I think, for what I got. And when you guys see what I got, I think you'll be like, wow, that was $3. Yes, this was $3. So make sure you stay to the end so you can see what I got. And let's go ahead and get into the bag. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I have another computer on the floor and I'm just making sure it's good, okay? So let's go ahead and open it. This is the mailer that it comes in. Ooh, wow, this is so cute. This is the bag. I really like this. It reminds me of like a Y2K type of design, Y2K / winter type of design. And I got something in here and I really like that. So Ipsy always gives you like a little card, and this one says dream it, new month, new year. Whew. And the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, I did that, a bold lip there, a grand set glow goals will be within reach. Okay, and then it's got all of my little products that I got inside the bag. So let's go ahead and get started with what I got. So the first item is the Moroccan Magic Peppermint Eucalyptus Lip Balm. And this smells really good. I like, why did I say like I put it on my lips? I love lip balms, and this is like, I know it's supposed to be a sample size, but this is like a full size. It says peppermint and eucalyptus Moroccan Magic Argan Oil Essential lip balm. So it says, dry lip season is in full swing. Do yourself a favor and keep this all natural balm handy if you want your lips to feel soft and smooth. It's made with high quality nourishing argan oil, and it has a fresh minty flavor, and this retails for $3.99, which this is good for me because my lips break out, like especially right now when it's really cold. As you guys know, I say it in almost every video, I have very sensitive skin and I have eczema, and my lips actually break out in eczema bumps if I do not keep them moisturized with some sort of balm or petroleum type products. So I am very happy about this, and I'm going to keep this on my nightstand because I like to keep lip balms on my nightstand. Okay, this is what I chose. Okay, so the next one, this is what I chose. I'm excited about this one. What if it's not in here though? Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the Youth to the People Super Hydrate and Glow Oil. So this is what I chose. It says Maqui, Acai, Prickly Pear, and Goji. Superberry, Hydrate, and Glow. Yes, I love glowy like products that make my skin just look hydrated and nice. I love glowy. I've never tried like a foundation oil or anything like that, so I'm very excited about this. It doesn't have a smell, but it has a light consistency. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is one of those oils that you like mix in with your foundation. So it says, there's no better time to add a moisture boosting face oil to your skincare routine. This one seals in hydration thanks to prickly pear and squalene oils to protect your skin from the drying effects of winter weather, plus a dose of antioxidant rich berries to up your glow. Tip, use clean hands to press oil into your skin to lock in moisture and up your glow. And the full size version of this retails for $44. So I'm very excited about that. Next, we have some hand cream, y'all. Ipsy has sent me a lot of hand creams. I'm good on the hand cream for a while. Like, I have hand creams that I have not even tried yet that I need to start putting in my bag because I have a lot of hand creams from Ipsy. So yes, and this is the Elizabeth Mott Ultra Moisturizing Shea Hand Cream in Full Bloom. I hate that they put this little like thing on there. That is so annoying and hard to get off. Ooh, okay. This actually smells like really good. I can see myself, reaching for this because this smells really good. And it's like, it's not too thick, but it's still very moisturizing and has a nice fresh scent. It says, keep this little moisturizing goodness in your bag this winter to help dry hands, and your dry hands will thank you for it. This ultra hydrating formula is packed with nourishing shea butter, and the lightweight texture soaks into the skin immediately, leaving your hands smooth but not slick. And the full size of this retails for $28. So interesting. Okay, so next we have the Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Stephanie Plum. Now, I love lip crayons and I use them a lot if you guys have watched any of my makeup tutorials, because they're just easy, they're very pigmented, and they have a lot of staying power, more so I find than like a regular lipstick. So if I could just open it, nails be your worst enemy. Okay, because I want to show you guys what it looks like. So, ooh, uh-oh, did I break it? That's embarrassing. So that's what it looks like, and it's very creamy, so creamy that it broke. Very creamy, wow. And that's like a plum. I love that. I can't wait to use that. So in this, I'm not gonna read the full description of this, but it just says, basically it's a plum color. It's got extra long staying power, and the full size of this is $20.99. So let's move on to the item that I have inside of the bag, which is a foundation brush, and it kind of matches the theme of the bag with like the little blue sparkles and stuff. And this is very pretty. I would use this to like kind of paint the foundation on my face. And it says this is the SL Ms Glam Flat Foundation B12 brush, and this retails for $19.50. This is very soft. This is very soft. I would have to try this because I've never used this type of brush before, so I would have to try this, but it's very pretty. I love that. Can y'all see that? Very pretty. If you're looking for, you want to build up your brush collection, Ipsy is the way to go, because I have gotten a brush like every month. So yes. Now let's move on to the products that I actually ordered separately from my Ipsy Glam bag, and that is these little lipsticks. I only paid $3 for these, and these are, I don't even know who these are by, to be honest. Do I have a receipt in here? I don't have a receipt in here. I don't remember who these were by. It says Animatter lipstick. I don't know, but this was like a little lipstick duo that I paid I dropped one of them that I paid $3 for. That's the first shade. It's like a nudie, like pink color. Let me see. I already got stuff on my hands, but that's the shade right there, which I think is a good deal. And then this other shade is like a true, like, this is like, I love this shade on my lips. Like, I love that. That's like my favorite shade. And this little duo was only $3. So for a little duo like this of good quality lipsticks for only $3, I'm here for it. These came a few days before my actual Ipsy bag came. So yeah, these are all the products that I received. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this glam bag. This is probably one of my favorite glam bags, and I love the little Y2K inspired bag. I think that is so cute, and it says dream. I love that. So yes, I was very happy with my Ipsy bag this month. No complaints. I can see myself using all of these products. All these products are right down my alley and things that I will be reaching for all the time. So yes, let me know what you guys think about the products that I received. Do you have Ipsy? What does your Ipsy bag look like? Does it look anything like mine? Also, I forgot to mention that you do have the option to customize your Ipsy bag. With that being said, you go on their website and you choose your preferences of things that you like. For example, things that I like would be like fragrance. I like trying makeup products, skincare. But if you're interested in, let's say, nail polish, you can add that on there. If you're interested in facial scrubs and stuff like that, you can add that on there. There's various different things that you can add so that Ipsy makes sure to get products that you actually love and enjoy, which they've done a pretty good job so far. And I got my bag in a very reasonable amount of time this month, so I'm very excited about that. And again, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.